So by default, the audio that you hear from VLC comes from your default speaker. But let's say you have multiple audio devices plugged in onto your computer. Let's say, for example, you may have another speaker or headphone. And in that case, what you can actually do is choose the speaker that you want the audio out of as well. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto Tools, then over here onto Preferences. Then you get this option right here, just like this. So over here in the Preferences, you need to go around onto Audio. And here you need to go ahead and choose the device. For example, there's the device which is default, but you can either now select speaker, or you can go ahead and select digital audio device. As you can see, if you have more output device plugged in, then you'll be able to access more output devices as well. So in my case, I'm just going to go for default. But apart from that, you can also go ahead and change the output option. For example, you can enable SDMI and SPDIF audio pass-through. You can enable this out if you want. And then apart from that, you can also use different output modules, like you can output from DirectX audio output or WaveCut audio output and so forth as you want as well. And even enable audio visualization from over here as well. And that is how you can choose an audio output device inside a VLC Media Player. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.